Welcome to Learn English with Lizzy. My name is Elizabeth Peter, and my goal is to help you improve your English fluency through educational English videos. Today we are going to learn about 20 advanced English words beginning with letter T. Tortuous. This means complicated and not straightforward, difficult to understand. Example, we quickly got bored of the tortuous lecture. A tortuous path. Torpid. This means not active, with little or no energy. Example, a torpid attempt to move the car. Transmute. This means to change or make something change into something different. Example, lead cannot be transmuted into gold. Toddle. This means of a child who has just learned how to walk with short, unsteady steps. Example, the child toddled past me. Thrifty. This means being careful in spending money, not wasting things. Frugal. Example, he has always praised his wife for being hardworking and thrifty. Thaw. This means of ice or snow to melt. Example, let the frozen fish thaw before cutting them. Thrive. This means to become and continue to be successful, strong, healthy, etc. Example, hotel businesses are thriving in this area. Trilingual. This means able to speak 3 languages equally well. Example, I am trilingual in English, German, and Spanish. Truncate. This means to make something shorter, especially by cutting off the top or end. Example, the books were truncated at the top. A truncated trousers. Tumble down. This means of a building old and in a poor condition, so that it looks as if it is about to fall. Dilapidated. Example, she lives in a tumble-down house in the countryside. If you enjoyed the video this far, kindly click on the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you. Tough war. This means a violent disagreement between two groups of people about who should control a particular area, activity, or business. Example, the government is trying to control the tough war among the major telecommunication companies in the country. Tussle. This means a short struggle, fight, or argument between or among people or animals in order to get hold of something or in order to get control of something. Example, there is an increasing tussle for political power amongst the youth. Twiddle. This means to twist or turn something with your fingers, often because you are nervous or bored. Example, she twiddled the keys in her hands as she waited for the arrival of the doctor. Typecast. This means to always give an actor or actress the same kind of character to play. Example, the actress is always typecast as a wicked mother-in-law. Turmoil. This means a state of great anxiety and confusion. Example: her mind has been in constant turmoil since the divorce. Tumultuous. This means a situation where people express strong emotion in a loud manner as a way of showing their approval for something. Example: the lecturer received a tumultuous applause after his presentation. Tuneful. This means having good and pleasant sound. Example: he was attracted by her tuneful voice. Trog. This means a shallow basket that is used for carrying garden tools, plants, etc. Example: put the vegetables in the trog. Troans. This means a child who does not like going to school and who often stays away from school without permission. Example: don't be such a trance, you need to go to school. Truancy. This means the act of staying away from school without permission. Example: the school does not condone any act of truancy. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.